Welcome dear friends. After successful bullets movement in MS PowerPoint, now the same is shared in MS Word. I'll also share easy manipulation of picture in MS PowerPoint, MS Word and MS Excel. How it can be done? Let's move to the screen. Now MS Word is open, so let's bring few bullets and we will rearrange the bullets in conventional way. What we do, let's suppose these are the number of bullets and we are dragging this up and down or by numbering. So we do simply cut, paste, or in other words use enter or select this and drag it down. So it's hard, time consuming and inconvenient. So let's make it the fastest way. This is the easy way. Select the bullet or click inside the bullet, Ctrl Shift up arrow key or down arrow key. Again see it, how fast it is. The same command can also be used for sub-bulleting. In case if I click the upper bullet or in MS Word, so entire bullets will move with the same command in case if I press left right arrow key. Look at how these are moving fast. Now let me create some sub bullets. In case if I click the second bullet, Ctrl Shift left arrow key, so the bullet will move left and right. It's easy placement and it's very time saving. I have already did this in PowerPoint. You will see the thumbnail in right top corner of the same end of this video. So in case if you move the entire bullet, select all and shift alt and left right arrow key. The entire bullet will move towards right side. In case if you place one by one, so touch the other bullet and use the same command. In case if you increase or decrease the font, so you can simply use shortcut key or you can also choose it from over here. Now let's break the table of MS Word. Click inside and Ctrl Shift up arrow key. Again, simply it's the easiest method through which you can break a table. We will also up and down the text inside the table, so we can do our placement in accordance to our wish. Let's see again. Reunite the table on the same method. Now click the first bullet or the first text inside the row and use the same command, Shift Control and up down arrow key. You can see the entire row move. Same command is used for easiest movement inside the table. Let's drag it. It's easy. Now let's move ahead. In case if we move left right, so better you create bullets inside the table. Now if I click first one and I press Shift Control left right arrow key, so entire bullets inside the table will move. Or in case if I click the second one, so it will create sub bullet. Left right movement on the same command. Now let's see the text side. You can easily judge with the help of arrow. Same command and easy movement. Now most of the time we bring huge table from Excel or any XYZ and paste it in MS Word, so that comes out of the boundaries of your page. Then it's the conventional way. First I'll show you and then I'll show you the shortcut how you will fit it inside a single click. This is the conventional method, so simply bring the table and paste and you can see it looks very odd. And what we do, we simply click inside the table and we move these upside signs and drag it one by one. Or another way, most of the time we also change the landscape position or the portrait position of the MS Word into landscape for easy and convenient forward. Go to layout, orientation, landscape, and let's paste again. This is also a convention method. I'm not talking about it right now. I will do it with one click. So again, you can see that the table is outside the page. So again, same method was used for refitting. Now let's open a new portrait and paste the same table. Now take the cross, right click, table property, and prefer width, change it to about 6. Click OK. The entire table comes in one click inside your page. Now it's easy for printing and manipulation. Let's copy a picture and paste it inside the MS Word. Now let's make it a little smaller. You can see that the picture will not move left, right, up, down, but it will remain fixed to the area. So what we do, we simply click the picture, the sign up here, and we simply choose below any option or format, wrap up text, and in wrap up text you can choose square, tight, or any 4 options. So now the picture will move and it will also go increase and decrease with simply Ctrl Shift up down arrow keys. If you use simply arrow keys, it will move simply left right, or you can go to format and these are the options at right corner, so you can increase and decrease your picture. It's very convenient with the command I already shared. Now simply bring the picture to Excel and paste it with the arrow keys. It can move left, right, or Control Shift up key or Control Shift right left key. It will go increase or decrease in length and width. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share my video.